was born in LA, by the ocean with the breeze. Never saw no reason to leave. Down on Sunset Boulevard, stay up till the morning with my friends. Then I'd sleep an hour or two, head up to my job. It seems they never lasted too long. When I got a little older, I could see the world was changing, just like me. All around there's too many people everywhere, just a crowd, it's too loud. When I was traveling around the world, always missing home, finally realized maybe now it's time to go. Everything had changed, I felt so alone. So I packed up all my bags, started down a very lonely road. Time to leave my home, searching for a new place that I could call my own. I was riding in the desert on my old horse, a bottle of whiskey to keep me company. Along the way, 'cause I knew it would take some time to get to Santa Fe. Out into the desert, someone told me there's a place far away. So if you're looking for me, maybe you might find me in a place called Santa Fe. I need to find a place to get away. Oh, Santa Fe, far away. In Santa Fe, will I find some peace of mind? Hope it's not too far away to find my way. Santa